What's up everybody, Chris here with Viral, and I am so excited and proud to show you our next creation. We did this for NFL running back and Rocket League professional player Mr. Boston Scott, who was just in the Super Bowl this past weekend. Dignitas got a hold of us and said, we really want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to Boston Scott. They really appreciate everything he does for their organization, and they really wanted to say congratulations on making it to the Super Bowl. So they commissioned us to do this one-of-a-kind build, and I think it came out absolutely beautiful. We have custom print all over the thing with the Dignitas and the Boston branding together. Of course, we sprinkled in some of the Viral branding in there as well. Boston Scott is a NFL running back for the Philadelphia Eagles, but he also is very passionate, competitive, professional Rocket League player as well. He's going to be using this to enter into all of his Rocket League tournaments, streaming on Twitch, making content. This thing's going to be an absolute crucial part to his professional journey off of the field. We could not be more proud to be commissioned to do the work. Inside we have, of course, the Intel i9 13900K processor. It is being cooled by the NZXT Z73 liquid cooler. Of course, we had to throw the Dignitas logo in there on the screen. That screen is customizable and you can put anything you want in there. Paired with the MSI 4090 graphics card. For the memory, we did the Corsair Vengeance 32 gigabytes DDR5 at 6000 megahertz. For the hard drives, we do have the Kingston Fury 2 terabyte Renegade hard drive. That runs at 7300 megabytes a second. We have the Asus Prime Z790 motherboard. And then we have the Lian Li Strimmer 8-pin and 24-pin connectors. Those are the light up cables there. Those are super cool, very unique. Those can also be changed with the Lian Li software to any color you want if you do want to change the theme up. To keep this bad boy cool, we went with our favorite fans, the Lian Li Infinity SL120 fans. These things are ultra quiet, and once again, the customizability of all the RGB and the colors is limitless. So we really love what that does. You know, we had to throw in the Viral 7-inch screen in the back. That screen again is able to display anything you want whatsoever, videos, GIFs, just a wallpaper, temperatures, whatever you want, you can throw that in there. And of course, it's all inside of the Lian Li O11 XL Clearview by Viral. This case might look familiar to you, but it might look a little different. This is the Lian Li O11 XL, but we put the Viral twist on it, the Clearview twist, meaning we took out the normal support bar that goes right there down the middle to really open it up, give it that fish tank look. And then we also have new glass made because the original glass on an O11 XL is tinted. This is completely crystal clear, so you can see right on in there. Not a lot of people realize that there's a tint on the standard O11 XL glass, but side by side you can definitely tell. And then of course we completely customized the front, the side, the front panel, the top, even the back with that beautiful Dignitas and Boston logoing right there. So I absolutely love this build. It's definitely one of a kind. No chance you're ever going to find a PC just like this. And we are super grateful that Dignitas commissioned us to do this. And congratulations to Boston Scott to making it to the Super Bowl and for being a part of such an amazing organization that is willing to surprise you with a gift like this. So I absolutely love this build. Let us know down in the comments below what your favorite part is. I think just the absolute custom case has got to be one of my favorite parts. Yes, the 13.9 is cool. Yes, the 4090 is cool. But you can't find a case like this anywhere. Let us know what you think. Thanks for joining us here at Viral.